Hello everyone. Let us understand what are composite numbers. Now, composite numbers are the numbers that have more than two factors. Now, if we take an example of any number, then it will always have one as a factor, number itself as a factor, and if it has more factors than these two, then such numbers are called as composite numbers. Whereas the numbers with 1 and the number itself as factors are called as prime numbers. Now let us understand the concept using example. Now over here, we have numbers from 1 to 100. The number 1, which is shaded in yellow, has only one factor, which is 1. Hence, it is neither prime nor composite. It is a special number. Whereas the numbers in pink are all prime numbers. The numbers in pink are all prime numbers since they have only one and the number itself as factor. Now let us take example of the numbers in blue. Let us take example 15. Now 15 has factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. It has more than two factors, hence it is composite. Let us take another example, say 24. Now 24 has factors as 1, 2, 3, 6, 4 also, and number 12 and 24, 8 also. Now these, since it has more than two factors, which is number 1 and the number itself has more than two factors, hence this is also composite. I hope with these two examples, the concept of composite numbers and the difference with prime number is clear. Now to understand more such concept, please stay tuned and like and share my videos. Thank you.